Have you ever laid in bed at 2 a.m., wondering why everyone else seems to be winning, while you're stuck, battling your own mind? It's not because you're lazy, it's because no one taught you how the 1% actually think. In a world screaming for speed, the truth no one wants to admit is this: the most successful people aren't the fastest. They're the ones who refuse to quit, when it's boring, when it's hard, when it feels invisible. Our brains are wired to avoid discomfort, so 99% of people run when things get painful. But the 1%? They rewire their response. Pain becomes a signal to lean in, not tap out. That's not motivation, that's mindset. The 1% don't wait for perfect timing. They move when it's dark, unclear, and lonely. They've faced fear, they've been doubted, but they didn't fold. They built something more powerful than confidence: inner conviction. And most people? They chase dopamine, quick hits, easy wins. But the 1% build discipline, the kind that shows up when no one's clapping. That's where transformation begins. That's what they understand. Progress isn't loud, it's not sexy. It's daily, quiet, brutal, but it changes your identity. While others scroll, escape, and numb out, they protect their peace. They say no to chaos and yes to alignment. When it hurts, they don't look for a way out. They look for a way through. Because every time they keep going, they prove to the future version of themselves: I won't abandon you. You don't need to change your entire life today. Just stop ghosting your potential. When it gets hard, the moment you stay, when it's easier to run, you're already becoming the 1%. Be the one who keeps going, through the silence, through the pain, through the resistance. That's the 1% mindset, and once it's wired into you, no one can take it away. Ready to build yours? Go watch our last video. That's where your comeback begins.